My bid is... Can I help you with something?
Is this a desk?
This is the reference desk. We're in the back, and then you would be in front.
Oh, like the librarian's desk?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was like it's a free seat.
No.
It looks better than the other one, so.
That's because we have to be here all day.
Excuse me.
Oh, what, sir?
There's no eating in here.
Oh, really?
Really?
I thought we could snack in here.
Nope.
Where can we snack at?
Well, you can go somewhere else and I won't tell anyone.
Do you dare me to eat this?
It's up to you.
It looks really good, though. Are you done on your computer?
Sorry,
Are you done on your computer?
am I done? I'm done.
Thanks. You want any cereal? Are you sure? It's really good.
Please don't sit here. You gonna sit here? For a few while now. You gonna sit here?
Yeah.
Hey, I'll move in.
What's wrong?
Nothing. I was sitting here studying. If you're gonna sit here, I'll move.
You don't mind not chewing that right in my ear, do you?
Oh, you can hear that?
Oh yeah, dude. I was like, whoa, what's going on? And I looked up and I saw you eating it.
Oh, really?
I just was in the middle of a good story and all of a sudden I heard crunching and I was like, oh.
Do you want one?
No, do you mind moving a little bit away from me?
Whoa, you're delicious.